Hi there. We just had a snowstorm and we're gonna go and clean up our driveway. Oh my, look at the amount of snow. Whoa, he's pushing really hard to get the... What? Oh, my snow boots won't manage that. Ooh, that is a lot of snow.
Look at my stairs.
What? Don't fall.
You have to be really careful.
Okay.
See, I missed a step here.
I'm just gotta close the door and come. It stopped snowing, thankfully.
Just like here.
You can slide in, eh?
Okay, you have to be careful.
Okay. I'm just gonna follow your footsteps. Oh, wow. I am buried.
You have to find your way.
Everyone's out. Busy. Plowing their driveway.
Look at this.
What? I think this is definitely 30 centimeter, eh?
I think it's more. Look at
So beautiful though, hey?
Come on.
I'm coming. I'm scared I don't fall.
You have to hold you. Okay.
Ah.
I cleared it for you.
A snowman. Look at that, so cute. Can we make a snowman?
No.
That would be so good. If I step on there, snow is gonna go in. No, it's gonna go inside my boot. I think she has to move the car, doesn't she?
That will be great. Look at the size.
Mm. Oh.
Okay. Time to go.
Oh, my hands are freezing. He's gonna go and get the shoveling tools and then we're gonna start shoveling the driveway. I don't know where we're gonna dump all this snow. Whew. I wish we had a snowblower. I mean, look at that. That's definitely a lot of snow. The birds, poor thing. They don't even have a place to sit. All the branches are covered with snow. Still some Christmas lights there.